We are on live, sir. You can start.
Yes. Hello guys, welcome to the Gate Academy. So let me know how many of you are available here, guys. Guys, are you getting my voice? So guys, are you getting my voice? Anyone? I'm waiting for the students to connect here. Once the students will collect, we'll start the discussion for today. Okay? Good evening, Balaji. So, as you all know that our today's discussion is all about standard books. Okay, so today's discussion is all about standard books for GATE preparation, and few of department or streams already covered. Okay, so as civil engineering is already covered, now we are going to discuss for instrumentation for this particular video in this particular video. Okay, guys. So first of all, so who am I? So I'm Samir. I'm Samir. I'm having 3+ years of experience in GATE field, and I'm the part of this particular institute, the GATE Academy, from last 3 years. Okay, guys. So today's discussion is, as already I told, standard books for GATE preparation for instrumentation, for this particular department, instrumentation. Okay, guys. So before starting, I want to ask all of you one question: why we need standard books? Why we need standard books? Is it necessary to have standard books? I need your answer, guys. I need your opinion. Whether you are preferring standard books, or you are just following YouTube's and the notes of institute you have already joined. Is it necessary to have standard books for GATE preparation, guys? We need books, sir. Of course, we need books. Very good. Kisan has told ki we need books, sir. We need books. Okay. So why we need the standard books? Just tell me. Do understand the basic concepts and clear understanding. Okay. So let me tell you one thing here. The book let you travel without moving your foot. Okay. The book let you travel without moving your foot. Okay. So you have to remember, don't underestimate the power of a standard books. Okay, don't underestimate the power of a standard books. Whether you are preparing for GATE or anything else, right? Standard books has some values, right? One more thing I want to clear: to get subject knowledge and command on it. Venkata told to get subject knowledge and command on it. Very good, Venkat. Very good. To get a very good knowledge. And one more thing I'm telling you about GATE examination, guys. GATE is a concept oriented and tricky examination. Okay, GATE is a concept oriented and tricky examination. So you have to remember this particular point in your mind as well. Okay, so you have to remember this particular point in mind as well. So book has different different values in our life. Okay, different values in our life, whether it is standard books for GATE, whether it is standard books for IT, JEE, whether it is standard books for anything else. Books has different meanings in our life. Okay, it can't be separable, right? It is the part of us, right? So I want to discuss the few more books, few more standard books about instrumentation, particular instrumentation branch. Okay, so all of you might have studied so many references book. Okay, so these standard books you have to treat as only reference book and nothing else, guys. I'm telling you, these standard books you have to treat as a reference book. If you are preparing and if you are already joined any institute, I'll always tell you to follow the notes of that particular faculties. Why? Because faculties have more experience than you. Okay, so they will say their experience in the classroom, they'll give you the best out of anything. Okay, so you have to first prepare from that notes. Now if you face any problem, if you face any problem over there, or if you have missed any classes, I can tell, so then you can go for standard reference books. Okay, then you can go for standard reference books. Otherwise, I'm telling you one more thing, guys. If you cracked GATE with good rank, and if you get a chance in ITs for MTech admission, or if you get a chance in suppose PSUs for job purpose, right? So there you will feel the importance of the book. They will ask questions. They will ask so many questions from this book particularly. Okay, that GATE question will not help you in interviews. That GATE questions will not help you in interviews. That these books will help you only in the interviews only. Okay, guys. Okay, so guys, so today we are going to discuss about the instrumentation books, some standard instrumentation books. Okay, now one more thing I want to tell you, that I want to ask you one thing. If we have so many materials, suppose if we have collected so many materials for GATE preparation, will it give more information, more knowledge to us? Will it shift to very good top rank? Okay, so if you have so many materials, will you get so many knowledges? Just I want to ask you one question, one simple question. If we have so many materials, can we get so many knowledges? No, means if you have so many materials, it will not help you in getting so many knowledges. Okay, so I'm telling you one thing, ki it is better to know one book intimately. Okay, it is better to know one book intimately than 100 superficially. Okay, so you have to take one book. You have to take, either you can follow the institute notes if you already joined any coaching institute, or if you're self preparing, then you can follow YouTube videos and you can follow standard books. Okay, but so many means material will not give you so many knowledges, right? They may cause in class of thoughts. Just remember these things, guys. They may cause in class of thoughts, right? Just we need clarity on subjects. Very good. Just we need clarity of subjects. So we have to follow only one book. I am telling you, I am suggesting you. Now let me go for the reference books. I will suggest you for instrumentation paper, right? Not possible. So many books will not give you so many knowledge, right? So we have to select one particular book. We have to go through that book. We have to take the 100% out of it, right? Chalo. So now first subject I put here is engineering mathematics. It is very, very important. It is very, very important for our GATE preparation. GATE ECE, you will get a video. Okay, you will have a video, you will have a webinar on this particular ECE subjects also. Okay, so don't worry about that. Please subscribe and share all these particular videos, and if you subscribe this particular channel, you will get notified when the ECE will become. When the ECE will come, you will get notified. Okay, you can follow that video also over there, right? Okay, Kisan. Chalo. So first of all, engineering mathematics, I put it here. Why? Because mathematics is very, very important. Mathematics is very, very important, and the weightage is 15%, right? In GATE examination, mathematics has the weightage of 15%. Okay. So the first thing I'm telling you, I'll suggest you, if any Indian writer books are present, you can follow those Indian writer books. It is very, very easy to understand from their books. Okay, guys. So you can follow first you choose for Indian writer books. If it is not available, we can go for any foreign writer books. Okay, it is just my suggestion. Okay. So here, engineering mathematics, you might have heard this particular book's name, B.S. Grewal. In our semesters also, we have followed this particular book. Okay. In our semesters also, we have followed this particular B.S. Grewal book. Okay. So if you want to do more and more practice, you can go for this particular B.S. Grewal books for mathematics. But I'll suggest you one more book. See, Das and Pal. And literally, I'm telling you guys, this particular book is very, very easy. If you don't know anything in mathematics, engineering mathematics, if you don't know ABCD of engineering mathematics, you can follow this particular Das and Pal book. This is literally a very, very simple written book. Okay, you can follow this particular book. This is very, very easy. Very, very, you can understand but any particular knowledge from this, any particular topic from this particular book very easily. Okay, guys. Okay, let me ask you one thing. Have you heard about this particular book, guys? Have you heard about this particular book, Das and Pal, K. Das and B. K. Pal? Anyone? So actually, I used to study from this particular book in our semester examination. Okay. So Kisan has written, okay, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Only Grewal I know. So you can follow this particular book. Once you follow, you will realize that this particular book is very, very simple. I used to follow this book in my semesters only. It is very, very easy. I'm telling you, literally. Okay. Now move on to the next subject. That is our circuit theory. Okay, circuit theory. In instrumentation, this particular subject has very, very higher weightage. Why? Why highest weightage? I'm telling. I'll try, sir. You have to try. You can try. Okay, Balaji. Okay, so this particular subject, circuit theory, is very, very important for instrumentation engineers. Why? Can anybody tell why this particular book, this particular subject, circuit theory, is very, very important? Anyone? I want to know from your sides why this particular circuit theory is very, very important for all instrumentation guys. Anyone? If you don't know, I'll tell you. See, I'm telling you one thing. If you go for if you go for analog electronics first, the first, there are huge application of this particular circuit theory in analog electronics. Whether you go for transistor, whether you go for op-amp, without the knowledge of circuit theory, you can't even solve any single question from analog electronics. Okay. If you go for transducer, you will see so many applications of op-amp, and you can solve op-amp. You can't solve op-amp questions if you don't know circuit theory. So if you cover circuit theory properly, it will help you in transducer as well as in analog electronics. That's why I told you that this particular subject, circuit theory, is very, very important for instrumentation engineer. Okay, so circuit theory is very, very important. I'll suggest you here two books, and you might have known this particular book. First book is William H. Hyatt. We used to tell Hyatt book. Okay, so Hyatt, Engineering Circuit Analysis, and second book I kept it here as Mack-Mann Valkenburg. Okay, so these two books are really very good, but I'll suggest one more book to you. That is, you might have known that book, A. Chakrabarti. How many of you have heard about A. Chakrabarti book? Tell me, how many of you have already heard about this A. Chakrabarti book? Anyone here? A Chakravarti? No, Balaji told no. Okay, don't worry. If you don't know about this, if you get the PDF or if you get the book directly from your friend or anywhere, you can go for second-hand book as well. Okay, so this particular A Chakravarti book is very, very good. Okay, you Balaji told and Kisan told ki I don't heard about this. Okay, okay, don't worry about this. Okay, so A Chakrabarti book is just like a Das and Pal. I told you na, Das and Pal is very very written in very very simple language, mathematics. Just like that, A Chakrabarti is also written in very very simple language. You will get lot of questions in A Chakrabarti. You will get lot of questions in A Chakrabarti. That practice purpose, that A Chakrabarti book is very very good. Practice purpose, A Chakravarti book is very, very good. Hare Venkat, you are from mechanical. What you are doing here then? Venkat, tell me. Okay, chalo. So A Chakravarti book is very, very good for practicing problems, and GATE is all about practicing more and more number of questions, as you all know, right? Right, guys? Are you solving so many number of questions? Ha, Venkat told yes, sir. See, 80 to 85 questions are there in GATE examination, which are based on repeated concepts. Okay, so there are no new concept for those questions. If you solve so many number of questions, you can solve 80 to 85% of questions. But for remaining 15 to 20% of questions, you have to go for standard books. Either go for standard books or you have to do some extra level. Okay, smart study is necessary for GATE examination. Why? Because concept as well as trick you have to know. Otherwise, you can't score very good marks in GATE examination. I'm telling you, literally, I'm telling you guys. Okay, so you have to study hard. You have to study smart. Then you will get good rank. Then you will get good score in GATE examination. Right. So for that, you have to solve so many number of questions. Number of questions is required. So many number of questions is required. If you solve, suppose, so many number of questions, you will see means questions in GATE examination on the same pattern. You will see so many questions on the same pattern only. Okay, so practicing problem is very very important for GATE exams, right? So I have suggested here you two books, that is Higher and Valkenburg. For standard reference books, I'm again telling you, reference book. These are reference book. If you are following YouTube lectures, you should follow very well. If you have joined any institute, you should follow that institute very well. Okay, institute notes very well, because those notes are given by experts only. Those who have already means cracked the GATE. Those who have already means what I can say. Have so many experience. Okay, so you have to first follow those notes, and then you can follow these standard books. Okay, guys. Okay, so these are the books for circuit theory, and another subject is analog electronics. So how many of you feel that analog electronics is very very tough? Let me just inform guys, how many of you feel that analog electronics is very very tough subject? Anyone? Anyone, guys? Me, yeah, I know. Balaji told medium as medium, sir. Ha, medium. I'm feeling tough. Kisan told feeling tough. Okay, so that's why I told this particular subject. I'm telling you one thing, guys. This particular subject is very very important, not only for GATE syllabus, also for real life. Real life. Okay, so if you are an engineer. Okay, so and if you are instrumentation engineer, you have to be very good in analog electronics. Suppose that you have cracked GATE with good ranks, you have got a chance in IIT Madras. Okay, so IIT Madras has so many like Texas Instruments. Okay, so they're offering some course based on analog electronics VLSI only. Okay, analog electronics, basically analog electronics only, right? So you have to be good in analog electronics, and I'm telling you one thing, guys. This particular subject is very very easy. This particular subject is very very easy. Until unless you follow some good standard books, or if you have joined coaching institutes, if you follow some good notes, okay, if you follow some good notes, it is very 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 easy, I'm telling you. Analog electronics is very very easy. But I'm telling you one thing, guys. This analog electronics is not like this much of subject. This is a huge subject. This is just like a C. Okay, so this is just like a C. Means you have to just follow standard books, or you have to just follow the notes only for gate preparation if you are preparing for gate examination. Or if suppose if you want to do some research, if you want to go for some higher studies, you have to be better in analog electronics, right? So so don't make it tough. Don't make it tough. First, you have to be good in circuit theory. Then you should go for analog electronics. Literally, you have to start from ABCD, and then you will get that this analog electronics is nothing. You can play like anything. You can play like anything. For that, I'll tell you two books. Sedra and Smith, you all know. Sedra and Smith, you all know about this particular analog electronics. One more thing I'm telling you guys. It may be possible that you may get or you may not get 100% of syllabus in a particular single book. Okay, so you have to refer so many books. Like suppose we have this particular Sedra and Smith. You will get some microelectronic part here. Okay, very good, guys. If you have this book, you should follow this particular book. Okay. Second is Donald and Niemann I have written. Second is Donald and Niemann I have written. This book is also very very good. Okay. So I'm telling you one thing. You will not get 100% of syllabus in a single particular book. You may get, you may not get. Okay. You may get, you may not get. Why? Because syllabus means gate syllabus is like mugged up with so many things, right? So, and foreign writers has written a book on one particular topic. Okay, so if you go for this particular microelectronic circuit, you will get some parts of syllabus here. You will get some parts of syllabus in Niemann. And one more book I'll suggest for this particular analog electronics, and that is your Razavi. You can see this book. This book is very very good. I'm telling you. If you are self preparing, you should go for this particular Razavi. Okay, so you can also get the video lectures on of Razavi, Behzad Razavi on YouTube also. Okay, so you can follow this particular Behzad Razavi book. Very very good. Literally very very good book. Okay, so chalo. Now the one of the most simplest I can say simplest subject, that is control system. How many of you feel that control system is very very easy subject in gate syllabus? The entire gate syllabus for instrumentation, this control system is very very easy. How many of you feel that this particular control system is very very easy? I hope I'll get so many response from this particular topic, because me Kisan, I know so many of you told and will always tell ki control system is very very easy. I'm feeling easy. Yeah, this particular subject is easy. Why? Because you are interested in this particular subject. Okay, you have given whole and soul to this subject. That's why this particular subject is very very easy. Okay, interesting subject. Yes, it is very very interesting subject. Sagri also told that it is very very easy. Okay, so it is not only easy, it is very very easy. Okay, it is very very easy. It is very very interesting subject, and in real life you will see lot of examples from this particular subject. Okay, control system. And if you are an instrumentation engineer, you will see so many applications in PSUs like IOCL, SPCL, NTPC. There's so many huge application of this particular control system. Any system you want to design, you have to be very, very good in control system. Okay, so control system is very, very easy. And for this particular subject, I'll tell you three names of this particular book. Two has already written in front of you. That is, one is K. Ogata, Modern Control Engineering, This is my favorite book, K. Ogata. Okay. And the second one I have written is Nagarath and Gopal. This is also very, very good. See, there are two books of Gopal. M. Gopal has separate books. Okay. And this is Nagarath and Gopal. You can prefer this book, Control System Engineering, Nagarath and Gopal, standard books. Okay. You can refer this particular control system engineering book, Nagarath and Gopal. This is literally a very, very good book. Okay. So one more book I'll tell you, that is, you might have known, you all might have known, B.S. Manke. How many of you know about this B.S. Manke book? Guys, how many of you know about this particular B.S. Manke book? Anyone? B.S. Manke. Nobody knows? Literally? Nobody knows about this B.S. Manke book? Guys? Okay, so B.S. Manke, if you want to solve more number of problems, you can go for B.S. Manke books. Okay, so B.S. Manke is very, very good. If you want to solve, if you want more practice over this particular control system, you can go for B.S. Manke. Okay, okay, don't worry. I'm telling you, you can refer this particular book. Okay, you will feel very good. Otherwise, K. Ogata is sufficient, and the material you are means if you join any institute, that material is sufficient for this particular book. Okay, so Sagari told no, sir. Okay, nobody knows. Okay, only I know. That's why I told everyone. Okay, B.S. Manke is very, very good book. If you want more questions, then you can go for B.S. Manke, right? Okay, so move to the next subject. Okay, the next subject is digital electronics. So how many of you feel that digital electronics is very, very easy? How many of you feel that this particular digital electronics is very, very easy? It is not easy for me. But you might have studied very well. So it is easy for you. It may be easy. It may be very, very easy for you. Okay, so Balaji told, I feel it's easy, very good. Yeah. If you feel it is easy, then really this particular subject is very, very easy. Okay, this particular subject is very, very easy. If you only go for get syllabus, then this particular subject is very, very easy. Okay, it's very easy, very good, very good. Sagri also told it easiest. Huh. So if you like this particular digital electronics, then you are very lucky, you know. Why? Because this whole particular world is only depends on VLSI and all. Okay. And VLSI and all are only depends on this particular digital electronics and analog electronics only. Right. So this particular Hello guys, sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, chalo. Okay, chalo. So we were discussing about this particular digital electronics. Okay, so I have already told you two name, that is RP Jain and S Salivahanan. Okay, so how many of you know about this particular S Salivahanan, guys? Balaji, Sagari, Kisan. Literally I'm telling you guys, this particular book S Salivahanan is very good, very good. I'm telling you, you can prefer this particular S Salivahanan book. Okay, very good. S Salivahanan is very good. You can go for this, you can go for this particular book. I'll suggest you literally. Okay, so and one more name I'll tell you, that is Maurice Mano. Okay. Oh, very good, Sagari. Okay, so S. Salivahanan, you can go for it. And one more name I'll tell you, that is Maurice Mano. But if you have already joined any institute, you can go for, you always have to go for notes of that particular institute, and then you can refer this particular S. Salivahanan. If you want more knowledge in digital electronics, you can go for Maurice Mano as well. Okay, so Maurice Mano is also a good book. RP Jain, S. Salivahanan, and Maurice Mano. But out of these three books, I'll tell you to prefer S. Salivahanan first. Okay, chalo. Move to the next subject. That is our signals and systems. So many of you feel that this particular subject is very lengthy, very tough. How many of you feel that this particular subject is very tough? Guys, just tell me, how many of you feel that this particular subject is very tough? Anyone? Literally, this subject is not very tough. If you, the math part is tough. Okay, a little bit. Sagari told and Balaji told a math part is tough. Math part is very easy. I'm telling you, Balaji. Okay, so it is not tough. It is very interesting subject. I'm telling you, it's very interesting subject. And suppose they will ask 6 marks question in GATE examination from signal system, you can score 5 out of 6. This is this much of this particular subject is very easy in my point of view. Okay, math part is very easy. The very first chapter, that very first chapter is very easy, and you can easily get 1 or 2 questions from that particular first chapter in signal system. For this particular subject, I'll tell you 2 names. First name is Oppenheim and Bilski, Signal System by Oppenheim and Bilski. Okay, so these are 2 writers, and combination of that you will get one particular book, that is Signal System. This particular logo you can see for this particular book. Okay, so this particular book is very good. Oppenheim and Bilski is very good. Okay, but I'll tell you one more name. I'll tell you one more name, that is P. Ramesh Babu. Okay, for signal and system, P. Ramesh Babu. I have followed this particular book in my BTech. Okay, in my semesters, and literally this particular book, if you follow, if you feel that signal system is very tough, you should go for this particular P. Ramesh Babu. Why, you know? Because if you don't know ABCD, this book will tell you the ABCD, and up to Z, this particular book will tell you about this signal system. Okay, so this particular book is very good. I'll tell you to prefer this P. Ramesh Babu. How many of you know about this particular P. Ramesh Babu, guys? I hope you will answer no, sir. I don't know. Okay. Do you all know about this particular P. Ramesh Babu? Actually, P. Ramesh Babu, you know, Control System is also written by P. Ramesh Babu, and that book is also literally very good. Anant Kumar author is preferred. Anant Kumar is also very good. I was about to tell कि Anant Kumar for signal system is also very good. But with respect to this P. Ramesh Babu, Anant Kumar, I feel this particular this Ramesh Babu is good. Okay. Okay. Anna University. Actually, all over India knows this particular book. I know this particular book. Okay, so this particular book is very very good. Okay, now one more name I have written, that is PROCIS. Okay, digital signal processing. This particular thing is for discrete part only. Okay, digital signal processing means DSP is discrete part only. This signal system will give you complete signal system part. Okay, continuous as well as discrete. But this DSP, P. Ramesh Babu has written two books. One for signal system, which covers entire signal system part. Okay, and another one is DSP, digital signal processing, also written by P. Ramesh Babu. Right. So I'll never tell you to prefer only that particular discrete signal system. Okay, so you can prefer this particular signal system for P. Ramesh Babu, or you can go for digital signal processing by PROCIS. This book is also literally good. Okay, so these are the books you can prefer for signal and system. Okay guys, chalo, move to the next subject, that is your communication system. Nowadays communication systems are very very important for instrumentation engineers, right? Two to three questions you will get in examination, communication, right? And all three questions, if suppose they will ask three questions, all three questions will be straightforward. If you go through once any book, if you go through once, you can score 100% marks from this particular communication system. Okay, very very easy. With respect to ECE guys, for instrumentation communication system is very very easy. For this particular thing, I'll tell you two names. First is Sanjay Sharma. I already told you, please prefer Indian writer's book first. Okay, Sanjay Sharma is literally a very very good book for communication system. It will cover entire analog as well as digital system, digital communication system, right? It will cover entire digital and analog part. Yeah, sometimes it is less, sometimes it is more. Okay, so don't worry about that. If suppose they will ask one question from communication system, they'll ask two questions from optical electronics. So this year you might have seen that optical electronics weightage was more in instrumentation paper, right? If I'm not wrong, optical electronics was having very good weightage this year. Okay, good. So they will always balance the paper, right? Suppose if they will ask communication system 6 marks communication system, they will ask 1 mark or 2 mark from optical electronics. They will balance like that only. Okay, so you have to be ready for each and every situations. Okay, so that's why GATE examination is the toughest examination, right? So I already told you, it is concept oriented and tricky examination. Okay, so you have to be well prepared. Okay, you have to be well prepared. Smart study is needed instead of hard study. Okay, chalo. So I'll tell you two names. I have already told you two names. That is one Sanjay Sarwan, and second one is, you might have known this particular book, Simon Huygens. Okay, okay. Chalo. Now for instrumentation engineer, process control is very very important, guys. Suppose in examination you will get 1 mark question from process control. That doesn't mean process control doesn't have any means, like doesn't have any means what I can say importance in our life. For instrumentation, process control has several importance. If you go for like interviews in PSUs, if you go for interviews in ITs, okay, IIT Mumbai, suppose if you have applied in control, automation control, they'll ask you so many questions from this particular process control, right? They'll ask you so many questions from this particular subject in PSU interviews as well. So this particular PSU process control is very very important for instrumentation, guys. And you might have known this particular subject is very very important for chemical guys also, right? Chemical guys. So process control is very very important. No matter they will ask 1 mark question or 2 mark question in examination, but you should study this particular subject very very well. Okay, okay. So Sagari told yes sir. So only one book I'll tell you, Surekha Vanoth, which I feel that is written in very very easy language. Okay, which I feel that is written in very very easy language. Surekha Vanoth, you can follow this particular book, or you can follow so many YouTube lectures are there. Okay, YouTube lectures are there on process control. You can follow those lectures as well. Okay, so but book has another importance in our life. So this particular Surekha Manot, I'll tell you to follow for process control. You may prefer any other book also. Okay. So Surekha Manot, only one book I'll tell you for this particular subject. Surekha Manot. Okay. Chalo. Let me move to the another subject. Now sensor and industrial instrumentation. This is the indifferentiate part of instrumentation engineer. Okay, you can't differentiate this particular subject from instrumentation engineer. Okay, sensor and industrial instrumentation, right? How many of you feel that this particular subject is very easy? How many of you feel that this particular subject is very easy? Anyone? Array, this particular subject is very easy, literally very easy. You can see so many applications in our real life. Okay, you can see so many applications from this particular sensor industrial in real life. Okay, if you go for interview, if you go for gate examination, you will get huge letters from this particular sensor industrial instrumentation. For this one particular book, that is a course in electrical and electronic measurement and instrumentation by A.K. Sohani, is is play a vital role, is play a vital role. This is just we can say Ramayana for us, for instrumentation engineers. This is just a Ramayana, this is just a Bible for us, right? So you don't have to let this book down. Okay, so this particular AK Sony book is very important. If you go for measurement as well, measurement instrumentation, in instrumentation, electronics and electrical measurement both are there, right? So for this particular two subject as well, this particular books play a vital role, right? So okay, this subject is very easy. Okay, so you have followed that, sir, that this particular subject, if if you go for real life examples, like suppose if you see a mobile, so there are so many applications of this particular sensor and transducer. Okay, so if you go to the toilet and if you press a plus, you will see there are float type measurement sensor, level type measurement sensor. So everywhere you will see this particular sensor industrial instrument. So you have to make this particular subject very easy. Why? Because you can't differentiate this particular subject, right? So one book I told, a course in electrical and electronics measurement and instrumentation by AK Sony. And as I already told, you will not get 100% of any particular subject in a single book, right? So I'll tell you another name like AK Ghosh, Arun K. Ghosh. Okay, Introduction to Measurements and Instrumentation is also a very good book for measurement and instrumentation, right? Arun K. Ghosh. And literally, I'm telling you one thing, guys. This particular book will help you to clear any interview, right? There are so many questions, there are so many little thing in this particular book, where in industries, if you go for interview in IOCL, in NTPC, they'll ask so many questions from this particular topic. You will get those topics in this particular book. So let me tell you the name of another writer, that is AK Ghosh. This book you can follow. This is very good, literally very good book. Okay. Now again, for electrical electronic measurement, I have written the same name AK Sony. Why? Because ये हमारा जो instrumentation है, इसके लिए ग्रंथ है. This is Bible for us. This is Ramayana for us. This is Mahabharata for us. Everything. This book is everything for instrumentation engineering, right? This book is everything for instrumentation engineering, right? Now, for measurement, you can also go for John P. Bentley. Okay, John P. Bentley, you can go for this particular book. This is literally a good book, literally a very good book. This John P. Bentley. You can use this particular book. You can refer this particular book. Okay, guys. Chalo. Now, move to the next subject, optical instrumentation. Optical instrumentation. This year they have asked so many questions from this particular instrumentation, right? Optical instrumentation. So many questions I have seen from this particular subject. Okay, so you should very well aware of this particular subject. If you have joined, you have already joined any institute, you should follow those notes. And if you have not joined an institute, you will not get a single book for this particular subject. Okay, so you have to see so many sources. Like you have to go for Google search. You have to go for so many PDFs. But I will tell you one particular Ajay Ghatak. This particular introduction to fiber optic Ajay Ghatak is you can follow this particular book. Okay, you can follow this particular book for fiber optics for optical instrumentation, right? Optical instrumentation. There are so many books for optical instrumentation, but the smart study is what you have to follow those gate syllabus only, right? You don't have to go for research, right? For gate examination, you don't have to go for research. You have to go for those parts only which is already mentioned in syllabus, right? So this particular book you can follow. Chalo. Now, this is principle of electromagnetics. This is newly added subject, right? Sadiku, one book, one particular Sadiku book is very, very good. You can follow this particular book because this particular subject was not there initially, right? Now it has been added. Now one more subject is added, that is electrical machine, and only a few parts from electrical machine in the gate syllabus is there, right? Few parts only. So you can follow for electrical machine, you can follow PS Bhimrao books, and that is a very lengthy books. You don't have to go for that. You have to check the syllabus. You have to check the syllabus, and you have to go for those topics only, right? You don't have to go for particular books. Do's and don'ts you have to know. Otherwise, what you will see, if you are in fourth year, you are preparing for gate examination, and if you prefer standard books rather than any YouTube lectures and any institute notes, 1 year is not sufficient for all standard books. So what you have to do is, this is do's and don'ts. You just have to mark all the syllabus in your standard books. You want to go for standard books. And if you are following any institute notes, you should follow those notes. If you don't understand the concept over there, you should go for that particular topic from this particular standard books only, right? So I'll always tell you to prefer first institute notes and then go for these particular books. So use this standard books as a reference book very wisely. Otherwise, you will waste your time. I'm telling you. I'll suggest you, right? For gate preparation only. At least for gate preparation, you have to use it very wisely. Okay. So these are the books. Now, all the best for your success, guys. Give your best, and बाकी भगवान भरोसे छोड़ दो. Okay. There is something called luck is also playing a very important role. You don't have to go for that. You have to give 100% of you. Okay, you have to give 100% only. Whatever will be the income will get, okay, will come to know. Okay, so give your best, guys. And if you have any feedback, if you have any opinion, you can write to us on this particular email, quality@thegateacademy.com. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you, Sagari. Thank you, Balaji. Chalo. Take care. Stay on, stay safe, right, guys? Chalo.